back out here from Motovlog 7. Heading over to Bikes and Coffee. Got two men out here popping some wheels. Not too bad of a day out today. A little chilly, cloudy out. Got about, I think it's about 7 of us in the group right now. So rolling over here to Bikes and Coffee. Hang out over here for a minute. Not really sure if, I think Freedom Kings might be doing a ride. I think they said up to Blue Ridge today, but I'm not gonna partake in that today. It's a little bit too far of a hike for me today, especially doing after the riding that I did yesterday. Hopefully get up with one of them soon, do a nice little Blue Ridge ride. So the event yesterday for, yeah, I'm pretty much already recording Motovlog 7 next day. I'm already out. Might as well just go ahead and knock it out, do it. Yesterday's event for the Renegades Classic went awesome. Probably had about 50 bikes come in. So it's still out here popping wheelies. Oh man. Fun times. Don't do this at home, kids. Yeah, so yesterday's event turned out pretty good. Definitely a good turnout. They actually ended up, I think Charlie and them ended up doing like a total of like $500 giveaway. So it's pretty much, it was $100 per person, and they gave it out to 5 different people, and each person gave the money back to Charlie at Renegade. So that was pretty cool, definitely, because I mean, basically really what it was about anyway was kind of giving back to them, being that they do a lot for, you know, for the motorcycle community. So it was kind of cool that, you know, they were able to take that money and give it back to them. So yeah, so we're just gonna roll up over here real quick, check out Bikes and Coffee, and yeah, so y'all just enjoy this little ride, and I will see y'all back at Bikes and Coffee.
Nice little variety of bikes out here. Sorry for the shaky camera. Don't have my tripod thing. It's definitely a nice turnout. Some cholo bikes. I don't really think that we're going to be doing a ride after we leave here. Probably just hang out here for a little while. Might go get some food afterwards for whoever wants to come out. Nice little turnout today. I'd say probably easy 100 bikes. Just had probably 15 bikes that left. But overall, still a good turnout. Old Kawasaki. Skirt, skirt. Do it again. Old clean Z900. Street Fighter look. God damn. Nice turnout for Bikes and Coffee today. Alright, it's going to be a wrap for today's video. Comment, like, share, subscribe. See y'all later.